Hello, good evening. Welcome to this video. Introduce, my name is Komang Darma Suyasa, absent 13, grade 12 Science 1. In this video, I want to show you how to make a cup of a tea. Before that, we need to know what is the ingredient and the tool that we needed. Okay, the ingredient. First, we need a bag of tea. Then the sugar. After that, we need water. Warm water. Okay, and the tool is we need a pan, a cup, a glass cup, and a teaspoon. Okay, that is the ingredient and the tool. Next, okay, first step, we need to boil the water until it boils. Okay, while we waiting the water get boiled, we can pick a glass and put a bag of tea on it, and then we add some sugar, maybe 2 teaspoons because I love sweet. 1, 2, okay, and then we wait the water get boiled. Look, the water already boiled, and now we can pour it to the cup. Okay, then we pour the water into the glass. Okay, I'm sorry, the pan is broken. Oh my god, that's so hot. Enough. And now dose and pull the tea bags until the water color become red. Okay, it's turned into red. And now last, stir the tea slowly to make the sugar and the water mix. Okay, now a cup of a tea ready to serve. Okay, that's it. Instruction how to make a cup of tea. Apologize if there is any mistake in this video. Lastly, thank you for watching. I don't know, hot.